In the dense foliage of North America's woodlands, a flash of vibrant orange and black signals the presence of a truly remarkable bird. This is the Baltimore Oriole, a dazzling jewel among the treetops. The male Baltimore Oriole is a striking sight, adorned in bright orange plumage with contrasting black on its head, back and wings. This vivid coloration not only attracts mates but also serves as a visual warning to potential rivals. The female, though more subdued in appearance, is equally captivating with her warm yellowish-orange tones and subtle hints of olive brown on her back and wings. Their slender, slightly curved beaks are perfectly adapted for a diet of insects, fruit and nectar. Orioles are often seen hanging upside down, skillfully extracting their favorite treats from flowers and foliage. The Baltimore Oriole's flute-like melodies resonate through the treetops. Their nests, masterfully crafted from plant fibers, hang like delicate pouches from the branches, showcasing their remarkable skill. The Baltimore Oriole's brilliant colors and melodious songs make it a beloved visitor to many backyards, bringing a touch of tropical beauty to the temperate forests they call home. Observe closely, for the Baltimore Oriole's fleeting presence is a reminder of nature's boundless artistry, a living masterpiece in our midst. If you enjoy learning about our winged friends, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop for more feathered factoids.